Okay, Trey.
What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy. I'm back, Andre Allen. Another episode, Life After 9 to 5. So today was day 3 of the renovation project, and basically what they did, not a whole lot on day 3. They did start painting the cabinet. So I don't know if you noticed the cabinets in the background in day 1 and day 2, but the cabinets were brown. We painting the cabinets white. So as you see, you'll see they started painting the cabinets. Then they'll get into the rest of the house as far as all the rooms, the living room and the dining room. They'll get to that, they say tomorrow. So we should see the rest of the paint for the house interior tomorrow. But I know they started on the cabinets today. Had some estimates come out, had a carpet guy come out with estimates, going to lay some new carpet. So he came out with some estimates. Countertop guy came out. I think we gonna do granite countertops or quartz countertops. That's what my contractor's telling me. So we got that coming out and give me a quote on that. And we got a lot of other quotes coming in. Tomorrow is going to be payday for a lot of guys. So the guys that's been working, I got a deal where I pay them, weekly. So, I got to come out cash tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to that. But they're doing a great job. The team is doing a great job. The contractors are doing a great job. So I'm satisfied. I'm happy so far. I did get a call from the contractor earlier today saying we got some sort of a hiccup going on. So he's going to let me know what that is tomorrow when I go to the site. But hey, it wouldn't be a renovation without some type of problem popping up, right? So I kind of expected something to go, to happen, but we'll see what it is tomorrow. And I'll be sure to let you guys know tomorrow what the hiccup is so we can overcome that. But here's the footage. Go ahead and check it out. Let me know what you think. Okay, day 3. Here we go here. Day 3, still prepping for paint. They'll be painting shortly. Coming right along, Trim this tree. So there you have it. That's the footage from today. So tomorrow what I'm going to do, I'm going to just talk about the expenses and what I've basically done so far as shelling out for materials and labor and stuff like that. So you kind of get an idea. So maybe in the future, if you want to do a renovation project, you can kind of get an idea of, the initial cost and that kind of thing. So I'll kind of go over what my expenses are so far in the game. like I say, third day. Tomorrow will be the fourth day. So I'll kind of go over that with you, and hope that'll help you in your journey of a renovation. All right. Peace. Talk to you later.
Run the play, Trey.